Need to resolve Netflix login failure on your phone? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily fix this issue. First thing first, head over to your application Netflix. When you log in into your account, you have to enter your login credentials. You have to make sure that the email address and the password that you have entered is correct. Once done, now the next thing you want to do is check whether you are connected to stable internet connection or not. You have to make sure that the Wi-Fi is strong. After that, the next thing you can try doing is once again head over to Netflix and then close the app. Now move into settings of a device, head over to general and then move into iPhone storage. In this page, search for the application Netflix and then move into it. Click on offload app and once again tap on offload app. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This should definitely fix the issue that you have been facing and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.